Welcome to Cytech, founded in 2014 with registered capital of 6.68 million US dollars. Cytech Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specialized in designing and manufacturing energy-saving thermal control and energy management products, and solutions for telecommunication, electric power, energy, environmental protection. Based on 10 years' experience in serving Chinese top 3 telecommunication operators, Cytech Technology has been the leading supplier of outdoor telecom enclosures, cabinet air conditioner, and smart energy control device and system. Every year, we devote a great sum for R&D. Now we've received 16 utility model patents, 3 invention patents. Meanwhile, we have been strictly controlling product quality and development process according to CE, ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 to ensure 100% qualified and safe products for our partner. Thank you for stepping into the world of Cytech. Join us on this exciting journey as we redefine connectivity and communication for the digital age.